Jai Srimannarayana. 9th sloka of 11th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Eva muktva tato rajan mahayogeshvaraha harihi darsayamasa पार्थाय परमं रूपमैश्वरम् ॐ The Supreme Being, Ultimate Personality, the epicenter of all perfection and magnificence, Sri Krishna Paramatma, wants to show you his divine universal form. If you want to see that and enjoy that and experience that, you have to have spiritual vision, which can be blessed to you only by Acharya. Approach an Acharya and get Narayana mantra and get rid of the cycle of birth and death. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, come to me, surrender to me alone, do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you must respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana following these lines. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall definitely want to experience and enjoy your divine universal form. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall approach Guru and get Narayana mantra to get spiritual vision by which I can enjoy your divine personality. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Srimannarayana, karishye vachanam tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your heart. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadam mrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krityam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hridayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 161st day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Savanaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, those Siddha Purushas who came out of those two trees which were unrooted by Sri Krishna Paramatma, they are praying Sri Krishna Paramatma like this, O Krishna, all the works that we are doing from now onwards, we should be doing those works for you and only for your happiness. O Krishna, మనస్తవ పాదయోర్నః స్మృత్యాం శిరస్తవ నివాస జగత్ప్రణామే దృష్టిః సతాం దర్శనేస్తు భవత్తనూనాం. నీ మూర్తిపై చూపులున్ నీ పాదంబుల పొంత మ్రొక్కు శిరముల్ నీ సేవపై చిత్తముల్ నీపై బుద్ధులు మాకు నిమ్ము కరుణన్ నీరేజ పత్రేక్షణా. హో కమలపత్రాక్ష కృష్ణ, from now onwards we should be treating this entire universe as your body, and thus we should be having darshanam of your Divya Mangala Vigraham everywhere, forever, and we should be enjoying, our eyes should be enjoying your Divya Mangala Vigraham always, all over. Please bless us, O Krishna, and our minds should be always engaged in your divine feet. O Krishna, please bless us to be bowing our heads to your divine feet always. O Krishna, please bless us in such a way that our eyes always should be enjoying your Divya Mangala Vigraham, and your devotees, we should be enjoying seeing your devotees. O Krishna, please bless us in such a way that we should be focused, we should be having focused devotion, undivided devotion towards you, and we should always be meditating upon you. Can you please bless us all these things, O Krishna? Please shower your grace on us. Like that, Nalakubara and Manigriva, they are praying to Sri Krishna Paramatma. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishne namarashatravo vinihataha Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 11th chapter, 9th sloka. Eva muktva tato rajan Mahayogesvaro harihi darshayamasa pardhaya paramam rupamaisvaram. Eva muktva tato rajan Mahayogesvaro harihi darshayamasa pardhaya paramam rupamaisvaram. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.